We've all seen it. That patchwork stack of routers, firewall, and WAN gear pieced together over the years. It's kept the lights on, sure, but it wasn't built for today's encrypted, high-speed, hybrid everything world. Modern campus networks weren't built for the AI era. We've got 25 gig traffic racing over 10 gig links, 8K video, end-to-end encryption, and a surge of hybrid users, AI agents, and cloud apps pushing capacity to the edge. And we all know a great campus experience starts at the WAN. Enter the new Cisco 8400 series secure routers, an all-in-one powerhouse delivering security, performance, and scale in a single box with unified management. Check it out. Here's the new Cisco 8475 secure router. It's a sleek 1RU chassis weighing roughly 20 pounds, but it can easily replace 3 or 4 appliances in your current stack. That's a 70% savings right off the top. The front panel, a buffet of high-speed ports. 1 gig, 10 gig, 25 gig, you name it, you have it, delivering over 90 gigs of forwarding capacity. Plus, built-in RFID for effortless inventory tracking, label trays that put key info right where you need it, and redundant power supplies for added reliability when it matters most. What makes the 8400 series special? Well, I say it's beautiful on the inside. These aren't repackaged general-purpose CPUs. The 8400 routers are powered by Cisco-designed secure networking processors, custom silicon to power high-speed encryption, deep packet inspection, SD-WAN, and AI-driven traffic optimization, all right on the box. Translation? That means you get blazing fast performance, even with every security feature switched on. Enough muscle for a multi-building campus or an aggregation site, with threat inspection, encrypted traffic, and app telemetry running simultaneously. No compromises. And here's an industry first. The 8400 series is ENERGY STAR certified, delivering 3 times the throughput with 40% less power. So you're not just getting next-level performance, you're doing it in an eco-friendlier way, and cutting some energy costs too. So whether you're a hospital connecting buildings securely, a university campus safeguarding research traffic, or a global network of bank branches funneling data to a central site, with the 8400 series, you get routing, SD-WAN, and firewall in one platform. You get complete management flexibility, and it's practically future-proof, built for post-quantum encryption and scalable for the demands of your network, today and tomorrow. With AI-driven automation baked in, you get faster troubleshooting, simpler configuration, seamless scaling. Also, your network can evolve as quickly as your business. No manual effort required. So if your WAN links are overloaded, your security feels bolted on, and your network can't keep up with the business anymore, an 8400 secure router from Cisco might just be your new best friend. If you want to learn more, talk to your Cisco team or check out the specs online. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.